So right now we are at Luk Fu. We come to apply the housing. To be honest with you, we really have no idea where to go. I think it's much better to just go this way. We have to go to the housing section department out here. So right now I'm just trying to find the housing authority department. So I come here to apply a house because I cannot afford the literally house. So I come here to apply the housing. I cannot afford the sky high prices of Hong Kong. I'm living in a private apartment in a factory. Yes, you heard me right. I live in a factory. Even that is too much for me. Living in Hong Kong, you have to sell your kidney. It's literally super expensive. But I can't find any kind of housing logo because there's the headquarter of housing department in Luk Fu. My wife, can you find anything like related a sign or logo to housing?
Maybe we can find there.
Okay, let's go there and then see. Okay, there's Luk Fu State which we found, which is a good sign. And then where we have to go, I have no idea. Luk Fu is the old area of Hong Kong, of Kowloon. This have an old wife, as you can see. It's a quite nice area. Okay, let me see what to do. I still cannot figure out where I have to go. Okay, let's find out. Move this area. The quest to find the housing authority department is still on. My wife, can you hurry up? The area of Luk Fu is quite developed right now. I come here like after 5 or 6 years. Before everything was old, literally like 20-30 years old. Now it's quite developed, as you can see. Okay, I really have to find out the area. Okay, literally I have found, as you can see, this is the housing authority. Finally I found the housing authority department, which is here. So yeah, literally I'm very happy to find the housing authority department, and let's go inside. You can see this is the housing authority department. Be careful, there's an ambulance. Okay, the car was going to literally hit me. Wife, can you come fast?
तो आपसे कुछ लगता है कि आपके डॉक्यूमेंट जा सकते हैं मतलब सेफ्टी के लिए खाली टिकट जमा सकते हैं आप सब टिकट उन्होंने
So I already put the housing. I'm really very happy for it. Yeah, I'm literally very happy. I put the housing application form. Let's see when we are going to get the reply. I already submitted the application form in front of you. The bad news was that the office was closed due to the coronavirus, COVID-19. And then I didn't bring any envelope. I just have to staple literally the bunch of paper. The thickness of the paper was like that. The stapler could not staple it. So I just put in a file and then drop my file inside. I'm a little bit nervous that will they receive my file. Basically, housing schemes are people like me who are living in a factory area, who are not earning that much money, who are ethnic minority, but people abuse the housing scheme in Hong Kong. People earn more than what is the housing maximum requirement because there is a threshold, there is a higher limit. You cannot earn more than that amount or you cannot get the housing. people abuse, people are running business like $1 million business, they are living in a housing, which is totally abusing the scheme. So this is the headquarters. Look, you can see the Hong Kong Housing Authority. I just want everyone to pray for me that the housing authority receive my application and then I receive some kind of confirmation message, email or a phone call, whatever, which can satisfy me. Right now I'm really very nervous. So yeah, I applied the housing. I never thought one day I will apply the housing, because applying housing seems degradeful, because it means that you could not earn enough money to afford a private house. It's much better to live in a housing than living in a factory area.